In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable voice chat in Roblox. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. When you enable voice chat in Roblox, it allows players to communicate with others in real time, enhancing social interaction and gameplay. It also fosters a more immersive and collaborative experience. To enable voice chat on Roblox, start by opening the Roblox app on your laptop or PC, which will direct you to the home page. From there, locate the bottom panel and click on the More option. This will take you to the More page. Next, click on Settings, and within the Settings page, choose Privacy. In the Privacy section, click on Privacy and Content Maturity. Now find the Communications section and click on it. In this section, locate Voice Chat and click on it. You'll see a single option: Enable Microphone. Toggle this button to the on position, and voice chat will be enabled for your Roblox gaming experience. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.